There's a tramp sitting on my doorstep, trying to waste his time with his methylated sandwich. He's a walking clothesline. And here comes the bishop's daughter on the other side. She looks a trifle jealous. She's been an outcast all her life. On the gangster looks so frightening, with his Luger in his hand. But when he gets home to his children, he's a family man. But when it comes to the nitty-gritty, he can shove in his knife. Yes, he really looks quite religious. He's been an outlaw all his life. Me, I'm waiting so patiently, lying on the floor, just trying to do this jigsaw puzzle before it rains anymore. Oh, the singer, he looks angry at being thrown to the lines. And the bass player, he's so nervous about all them girls outside. And the drummer, he's so shattered, trying to keep on time. And the guitar players look damaged. They've been outcasts all their lives. Well, there's 10,000 grandmas wave their hankies in the air, burning up their pensions and shouting, "It's not fair." There's a regiment of soldiers standing looking on, and the queen, man, she's bravely shouting, "What the hell is going on?" So with a blood-curdling tally-ho, tally-ho, she charged into the ranks, and she fucking blasted all them grandmas with their dying breaths, screaming thanks. Me, I'm just waiting here patiently with my woman on the floor. We're just trying to do this jigsaw puzzle before it rains anymore. Yes, I'm just lying here so patiently, down on the floor. I'm just trying to do this jigsaw puzzle before it rains rains anymore. Oh, I'm waiting so patiently, lying on the floor with my woman, trying to do this jigsaw puzzle before it rains anymore.